today, it's 14th August, which is Pakistan Independence Day, and today we're going to be doing some fun projects. So first, we are going to go outside and make the moon and star on the shirt, which is going to be the Pakistani flag. And then in the evening, we're going to make balloons, and then we're going to make some cake too. And we're going to decorate the cake. So let's head outside. And the reason we're so excited is because our parents were from Pakistan, so that's why we celebrate Independence Day. So let's go outside and let's start the project. We're outside and these are the shirts, and I'm gonna go first. So our mom put green paint in water in this spray bottle, and we're gonna spray it all around here. So whenever we take it off, it'll look really cool. And I'm gonna go first. It's not the Turkish flag. We're gonna take off the red star. We're gonna take off the red moon star after, because then it'll be green around and then a white. And we have the Pakistani flag right here behind us. So see it. Let's start. Oh. Oh my gosh! Spray it in a circle.
You don't have to spray on this thing on the side. Yeah, spray in the circle.
Okay, that looks cool. Good. That looks cool.
Okay, now Noori, it's your turn.
Okay, Noori.
Just give me 1 second.
How did you do that? Oh, Lord, can you make it where it's misty? It is misty.
It's kind of changed now.
Whoa. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, on the side, so you know.
That looks good. Can I use it after Sarah?
Yeah, sure.
Do it really hard. Yeah, like that.
It's fine. You can do it on the side, you know, in the circular motion. Do it in the circular motion. This first, she have to do this thing then.
Okay. So excited.
You have to press a bit hard.
Hard.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
I think it's...
can't hit it. Oh wow.
Oh, there's something.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
There's little green spots. I think yours turned out really good. There's little green spots on my pants, but you can barely see them. There's paint on my arms.
On the side, you have to put on this side. Yeah.
Oh, can I try after you, Shra?
Don't on me.
Can I have it after?
Yeah, just like that.
Alright, I think that's enough. Oops. I spilled some.
It's okay. Yeah, you have to do some more. Zara, on this, the star, above the star. Yep. Yeah. Not like this, in the, you know, because I think it's almost finished.
I need to put a little more on that part. I think it's barely any. Oh,
that's okay. You can put it right there. Nuri, give me for a second for Zara.
Did I put too much?
Yes, you put too much now. But that's okay.
I think mine turned out good. I just have some. Mine turned out really good. I think it's running out.
So we have to wait for...
Can we take off the moon and star?
No, not right now, because it's kind of, you have to make sure that it is dry. Then you can, you know,
how long?
Take it
you
off.
have to wait like 10 minutes for it to dry.
Mm-hmm.
I want to take it off. Now we are going to take off the moon and the tape and star. So we have to first take off the tape slowly.
Oh, look at this.
My.
Look at this, Yusra, Noori.
That is... Oh, the tape. The tape on the star. But
Oh, it's okay, I
the
will.
tape on this part. That looks so pretty.
This is mine.
Mine looks so pretty. This is mine. Oh, my star turned out good. My moon, though, the tape, the tape was like too far out. So
Oh,
this
that's
is how
okay.
mine turned
Oh,
out.
look at this one. It's turned out so good.
That's so pretty.
And look at this one. It's
This is
turned out so
mine.
good too.
These are really pretty.
Yeah, you're gonna wear it right now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let it be dry for 5 more minutes.
it's a bit-
Then.
What? A little. So right now we are making the cake, and it's gonna be vanilla white cake, and we're gonna pour it into this pan and then cook it. And then once it gets a bit cold, we're gonna put some white and green frosting on it and make the Pakistani flag. It smells so good. So Yusra was helping my mom make the cake. Oh, this oven. Yeah. So Yusra was helping my mom make the cake. So I'm going to help her make the dinner. So we're having Bang Bang Shrimp, and it's from Bonefish Grill, which is one of my favorite restaurants. Baked fish, garlic bread, and corn. I am so excited to cook it and eat it. Alright, so this is the cake that we made for Pakistan's Independence Day. And it's just the Pakistan flag, and right now Yusra's lighting the candles. And we're scared she's gonna burn the house.
Oh, she's not. She's careful.
One time I almost burned the house down when I was making mac and cheese. And the cake is vanilla flavored also.
Can you show me your shirt, Yusra? Nuri?
Oh yeah, and this is how our shirts turned out. Yeah, I love my shirt so much. I like it. I like mine the best.
What do you think? Whose shirt turned out to be the good one? Huh?
Timur or Timur?
What about Yusra?
Vote me because I'm the best. Oh, I gotta blow out the candles. That's all blow them out.
But you have to say Happy Independence Day, Pakistan, Zindabad.
Alright, so now we blow out the candles and